Are you still waiting for that one unicorn phone? You know, the one that nails every single photo, destroys battery anxiety, and doesn't completely empty your bank account. A phone that makes the big brands actually sweat. Well, according to the latest leaks, Nokia is loading up its biggest weapon yet. We are talking about the Nokia X100 Pro 5G. And in today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know, from the price tag to a spec sheet that is going to absolutely blow your mind. Let's dive in. The display. First up, let's talk about the display. Guys, if you think a big screen is just for watching Netflix, get ready to change your mind. This thing is rumored to pack a massive 6.79-inch LTPO panel that actually thinks for itself. It dynamically adjusts its refresh rate from a buttery smooth 144 Hz all the way down to 1 Hz based on exactly what you're doing. That means beast mode performance when gaming, and massive battery savings when you're just reading. Plus, with a 390 Hz touch sampling rate, your fingers are going to feel faster than your eyes. And yes, it's rocking an IP68 rating, so from rainstorms to beach sand, this phone is built like a tank. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the fun part, the cameras. Listen to this number, 300 megapixels. That doesn't even sound real. But Nokia isn't just throwing out numbers, they're making a promise. Imagine taking a wide shot of a mountain range, punching in, and seeing the individual texture on a bird's wing. That is the magic of 300 megapixel. But the story doesn't end there. You're getting a 50 megapixel telephoto lens to bring the world closer, a 32 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8 megapixel macro lens that turns a tiny speck of pollen into a whole new universe. And for the selfie lovers, you get a massive 50 megapixel front shooter. Your Instagram game just leveled up. Performance. But to drive all those pixels, you need a serious engine. And Nokia has allegedly slapped a Formula 1 engine inside this thing. We're hearing rumors of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the kind of silicon you usually only see in top-tier gaming rigs. Heavy gaming, 4K video editing. It handles it all with zero lag. And it's all running on Android 16, which means you're locked in for the next 3 years of features and security updates. Battery backup. Now for the million-dollar question. With all this power, what about the battery? Brace yourselves for a spec you almost never see in a smartphone, 8700 mAh. That is not a battery, that is a power bank living inside your phone. This is easily an all-day, maybe 2-day battery even with heavy use. And when you finally do run dry, it supports 120-watt superfast charging. Go grab a coffee, come back, and your phone is already back to 80%. If that's not convenience, I don't know what is. Price and launch date. So, what's the damage to your wallet? Leaks are suggesting this absolute beast of a package could land around $850. Sure, that's mid-range flagship pricing, but you are getting top-of-the-line, ultra-premium specs. As for the release date, nothing is official yet, but rumors point to Nokia dropping this very soon. So guys, the real question is, could this device actually shake up the market? Is this the comeback story Nokia has been waiting for? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Would you buy this over an iPhone or a Samsung?